Now in this video, I will learn about application of three-phase induction motor. Three-phase induction motor used in lathe machine. Lathe machine is not preloaded. The load not comes before the motor starts. First motor starts and it gets that average speed. Then lathe machine uh, exerts load on this. So this is very suitable for lathe machine and it is used as grinding machine. Grinding machine, grinding machine is used to make stones as a powder. And like another thing, you want to make powder that are breaks in small pieces, then this motor is used as a grinding machine. Grinding machine, not a preloader. It loads comes after the motor starts and get that's average speed. So this is very suitable for grinding machine. Floor mill, this this load also not preloaded. This load comes after the motor starts and gets that uh, average speed. After then, the floor mill load exerted on the motor. So this is also very suitable for a floor mill, three-phase induction motor. Now comes to conveyor. Conveyor, this type load is different. This type load is preloaded type load. Conveyor is fulfill of the load, and in preload, the motor used to carry the loads on starting. Hence, this motor need to starting torque. But this motor has the tendency to carry the starting torques because it has the starting torque of 1/2 times of full load torque. So this can easily draw this type of load. Now same like this compressor. In the compressor, it is used same type of load preloaded. That means compressor is also loaded before the motor start. When motor starts, then this load is on motor. But same thing, the motor has a tendency to draw to carry 1.5 times of torque about full load of torque. So this can easily withstand this type of load. Now pumps and submersible, this also same type load preloaded. Motor has tendency to draw this type of loads, and pumps and submersible needs constant speed. Motors has this type motor has tendency to constant speed of motor. This motor runs as a constant speed, nearly constant speed. This speed goes down as of full load. Something goes down, something, nothing, like or nothing. So I understand. So I understood this type of application. If you are impressed in my video, then please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.